Located in the heart of Miami-Dade County, Opalocka is a city built on ambition, community, and the hustle of its people. From local contractors and auto shops to logistics hubs and neighborhood storefronts, Opalocka knows the value of hard work and perseverance. But when unexpected expenses hit or growth opportunities knock, waiting on traditional funding can stall your momentum. That's where fast, flexible capital becomes essential. At New York Fast Funding, we help Opalocka businesses access quick, no-hassle funding, so you can handle day-to-day operations, take on new contracts, or scale your services without delays. Whether you're upgrading your tools, managing cash flow, or seizing a time-sensitive opportunity, we're here to help your business stay on track. Opalocka thrives on resilience and drive, and we're proud to back the local entrepreneurs who power this vibrant community every day. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.